Welcome back to the part 2 for this unique solid granny square. Pick up just my working yarn. I'm going to slip stitch into that first single crochet. Chain 3. This chain 3 will count as your first double crochet. Then we're going to do a double crochet into the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. The next is going to be the corner, so you are going to do 3 double crochets into that chain 1 spot. It is going to be hard to see. Don't get confused with this. That's your single crochet. But right here, see it? So we're going to do 3 double crochets into that little chain space. One, 2. Remember, stay to the right of that single crochet of the next one, okay? So 1, 2, put 1 more in there. And now we're going to do 8 double crochets down the side. You're going to start with that first one there at the corner. So be careful, because sometimes this will get smushed in and you won't notice it. And you'll start doing it here. You don't want to start doing it here. You got to make sure you hit this stitch right here. That's your first single crochet from that previous row after your corner. So put 1 double in there, and then 1 double crochet across until the next corner. So it'll be 8 in all. Then we're going to do our second corner into that little chain space right there. 3 double crochets into that. And you're just going to repeat this all the way around. 3 double crochets in your corner into that chain 1 space, and then 8 double crochets down the sides. And I will meet you all the way at the beginning. I'm actually going to pick up right after the last corner, just so you can see how I complete this last part. Since we've already started with 4 double crochets, that chain 3 counts as that double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have 8 on the sides. You know that you need to end with 4 double crochets. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm going to stop so I can add on my new color. All right, let's complete that double crochet. For the last round, we are just going to do single crochet all the way around, and on the corners we are going to do a single crochet, chain 2, and 1 single crochet. Top of this chain 3, we'll do our slip stitch, chain 1, single crochet back into the same stitch, single crochet into the next stitch, and you're going to single crochet all the way across until, remember at this corner we did 3 double crochets, that middle one, the second double crochet in the corner, That's our corner for our last round. So that's where we're going to create our corner. So that means we got 1, 2, 3 more single crochets to do. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now let's do our corner. 1 single crochet, chain 2, single crochet back into that same stitch. All right, now we are going to do 10 single crochets along the side, which will bring us to the next corner where we do the single crochet, chain 2, single crochet. It's 9, 10. See, brought us right to that second double crochet in the corner of that previous round. So we'll do our 1 single crochet, chain 2, single crochet back into the same stitch. And we're going to repeat that around, all the way around this side and this side. 10 single crochet across, do your corner, 10 single crochet down, do your corner, and then I'll meet you right over here. Okay, I'm at my last corner. All right, since we're doing 10 single crochets down the sides, and we've already started with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side, that means we just got to do 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we're going to complete this stitch since this is our last round. No more color changes. And we're going to slip stitch into the top of that first single crochet and fasten off. Okay, and remember we start with the magic ring, so make sure you tighten that, and always like to give a good little knot. Alright, so this is how you do this granny square, and I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and as always, don't forget to follow so you get notified when I go live and I pop up on your feed for my next tutorials. Happy crocheting!